Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yachty Code. Thank you, Corey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python. This is for anyone who wants to code along with me. I'll also show you how to install Pip. Pip is essentially like a software manager which allows you to install Python related packages. So along your, throughout your data science journey, you'll find yourself using Pip to install certain software. So the first thing you need to do is check if you already have Python. You never know. You can do this by going to your command line or your terminal if you're using a Mac. And this is just like a shell where you're able to get the computer to do things by typing commands. So to check if you have Python, you go Python space -- version, enter, and it says I have Python 2.7. However, the latest version is Python 3. So to check if I have that, I'll go Python 3 space -- version, enter, and it says I have the latest version right here. However, for the purpose of this video, I'll still show you how to get it done. To check if you have pip, it's the same thing. You go pip or pip3 space -- version. It's going to tell me that I already have it installed, of course. If you need to install pip, I'll show you what you need to do on Mac. However, the installation for Python for Windows should already have pip with it. So you go over to your browser, and whatever search engine you're using, you just search Python. And you're going over to the official website, which is python.org. The website will automatically detect your operating system. So when you hover over to download, it will tell you download the latest version for macOS or Windows or whatever operating system you're using. I'm using Mac, so I'll go download. Of course, if you want previous downloads, you can do that, but why would you need previous downloads or previous version of Python? Now, I'm not going to go through this entire process because I already have it and it's going to take some time. But essentially, you just open it and run through everything, lie to them, agree to the agreement, tell them that you've read it, and then it will be done. When it's done, you're going to see a folder like this, which is your Python files. It says idle. Essentially, it's an IDE that comes with Python that allows you to write Python code. I don't really use it because it doesn't seem user-friendly. Look at it. It's not cute, but it still gets the job done. So if we do our well-known print statement, print log on, and run that, you see that it does work. However, most people tend to just use some other IDE such as PyCharm, or there's a platform called Jupyter Notebooks, which is also good, and I'll do a video soon to show you how to get it done. So that's how you install Python. Now for pip, if you're using a Mac, and I don't recall if it was installed with Python, the line to get the pip is simply Python 3. If you're using Python 3 space get -pip.py, and you run this by pressing enter, and it will be installed. So that's it for installing Python. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you do decide to install it so you can code along with me. Bye.